Good morning. So today is day 2 of my 30-day challenge. I'm trying to do one hairstyle a day for 30 days, or a variation of a hairstyle. Yesterday I did this hairstyle. You can check it out. I'll link it down in the description box. I did sleep in it and I just slept with my bonnet on, and I really don't want to take it down, so I'm not. I am going to do a variation. So I'm going to leave this braid in because it's still useful to me, and I'm going to take this. Oh, also I'm trying to do the hairstyles 10 minutes or less every day. So they're low maintenance hairstyles, and 10 minutes protective styles. I don't know if I want to do protective styles the whole time, but hey, what happened to my hairnet? Oh, here we go. So today instead of doing a center bun, I'm going to do a side bun. So I'm not going to take this braid down because it is not messed up yet. So I'm going to take my ponytail out. If you all have any ideas for me, I have a few ideas in my head about what I'm going to do for the next 30 days, but I could change. If you all have any good ideas for a quick hairstyle, I may do it if I can, if you leave me a suggestion. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe, rate this video, leave a comment with your suggestions in it. So the point of this is because it's quick. It has to be quick, because I know I don't like doing my hair anymore. I used to do my hair like all the time, and I would be doing deep treatments. When I first went natural, probably 10 years ago, I think. I can't remember. But I would be doing deep treatments and all kind of stuff. Deep moisturizing, and I was just so into it. And now I just be like, I had all these plans like, oh, when my hair grows, I'm going to be doing this and I'm going to be doing that. Child. You just be wanting to have it done. Like I right before the quarantine, I had scheduled to get my hair done because I have always done my own hair, and I was like, I'm gonna get somebody to do my hair. And as soon as I scheduled it, we went into quarantine. You can come up. We went into quarantine, and I could not get my hair done. And I'm gonna tell you, for like 2 weeks, I did not do anything to my hair. It was however it was for like a long time. So this is motivation for me to do my hair, because you still have to do and keep up with yourself during the quarantine. I'm just going to brush this hair over to the side, like so. Like I said, it could be detangled. And maybe I actually will detangle it a little bit, because yesterday I didn't. And for the last few days I didn't. I know y'all can hear that. When it brushes, it sounds so loud. But yeah, I don't really be doing a whole bunch to my hair like I used to anymore. When I first wash it, I just put some conditioner on it. One time I was doing an experiment and I just didn't put nothing on my hair to see what would happen. and then a few days later I went ahead and moisturized it. But so yeah, I just do the main thing at the beginning. I put some leave-in conditioner and stuff on it, and then I let it go. Like, I really just don't have that in my heart to do all of that stuff that I used to do anymore. And I think my hair is pretty much at its maximum length. I mean, I probably could grow more if I wasn't doing stuff like this. Oh, but I need to hurry up because I'm at 4 minutes. But yeah, I'm just gonna comb through this and get some of these tangles out. I'm gonna try this at home. You should moisturize your hair. I'm not saying you shouldn't take care of your hair. I'm just saying I did it for so long, and I was so gung-ho about it that now I just am not anymore. So I'm not trying to be a good example. I'm not being a good example right now, so don't try this. So I'm just gonna detangle this. I'm gonna try to use a smaller section this time. Cause like I told y'all, I usually stretch my hair. But before I came to this idea to do the 30-day challenge, like, I wasn't doing my hair. Like, I was really not motivated to do it. So this is kind of motivation. All right, so now that my hair is all brushed over, to the side. The reason I went ahead and detangled it was because one, it needed to be brushed out, and also I'm not doing a donut bun today. I wanted a more smoother look for my bun, so I went ahead and brushed through it. But I'm telling y'all, even though my hair is kind of frizzy and it's not moisturized, the hairnet really helps with that. So I'm going to pull all this hair over. And I'm not going to grab my braid in this part. I'm just going to grab the hair down low as I can. And put this ponytail here. All right, so now that that's in, I'm going to brush through it just a little. And I'm going to bun it like this. Just like this. And I'm just going to tuck this hair into the, you probably can't see, but I'm just going to tuck it into this ponytail right here. Nothing fancy. And then I'm going to tuck the hair under there. And then I'm going to take my hairnet and I'm going to cover my bun so that it's nice and smooth. I'm telling you, nets are great. And I just figured this out. Some of y'all might already know. Didn't nobody tell me. So I figured it out. And I'm going to wrap this around here and do it like a ponytail twice. Like so. And then your bun looks nice and smooth. I know I have a big lump back here. And if I had a comb, if you have a comb or something like one of those pretty combs to stick down in it, I would recommend that if you have a big puff like me, like a big old head right here. Like so. Then I just wrap my hair around the bun underneath the braid. I don't really use bobby pins and stuff. I just use my ends. And there we have a side bun with a goddess braid. And our braid is still intact from yesterday. That was, what, 7 minutes, I think? I did pause it while I was detangling. It took me like a minute and a half to comb all of that out, but I didn't want y'all to have to listen to that. So, thank you for watching and taking the time to view this video. Let me know which variation you like the best. If you have any suggestions, leave them down for me to do in the next 30 days. I will be doing a style every day for the next 30 days. If you haven't already, please subscribe and rate this video. Thumbs up, or did you not like it? Thumbs down. I don't have any earrings today. And you all have a great day. Actually, I do have some earrings I wanted to put on, so I shall do so. These are just some yellow earrings, and I'm just going to do one today. Y'all know my ear problem, and I just don't feel like putting it on right now, but ta-da, you can see. All right, have a good day. Bye.